this is gonna be a quick trip. I got my boyfriend waiting in the car, and you know they do not like to wait on nobody. So anyway, I just grabbed some more toothbrushes, some toothbrushes holder for my kids. I feel like I need some. I can't look at everything right now, y'all. I gotta go. But I'm just coming to get something to decorate my bathroom with. So I thought I'd keep you guys along with me. And I'm just gonna clean up the house because my kids is nasty. And of course, my Dollar Tree, I never have anything. But I'm just gonna grab some awesome. I feel like. And some toilet cleaner. Maybe. So, get some lime oil. And some Ajax for the bathroom. I'm also gonna grab some batteries because they've been screaming batteries, and these probably not gonna last long. So I'm just gonna grab them to make them happy. That's what I was going to grab, like a vase or something to make a centerpiece on the, probably in the wrong area. Hold on, I'm just gonna go down here and see if I can get like something to put my coffee in. Let's see. I don't see anything. Do you guys see anything? No, I do not. I feel like I need some towels also too. I'm trying to hurry up, you guys. For my stove. Ugh. Because the ones I got are disgusting. So. Some black ones that do.
How are you this morning?
Fine. How are you doing? I think I'm gonna grab this. I just need something to sit like in my bathroom because I want to decorate my bathroom, little counter spot, put like a flower, like liven it up or just a little bit. So let me continue to keep going. Your girl is on the move. Go. I guess to go. I'm about to look up on TikTok and find some ways to like clean my walls basically. Is there anything helpful over here I need? I don't think so. I got bathroom towels already. I got a shower curtain. I just need to wash the heavy duty shower curtain. Let me see. What are their flowers at? Like their flowers and their little it's down here. So I'm coming for a vase. So I think I'm going to do, I want to see what do I think about this vase, or should I do this vase? But I like this vase better. I'm just gonna grab some rocks to put in it, and they got some sand too, but I love the white rocks too. So I'm gonna grab the white rocks and some flowers just to put in it. So I'm just gonna sit that on top of that in the bathroom with the white rocks and some flowers to make it look better, and maybe just like a designer too to sit up there with it. Maybe I feel like this welcome sign will be too much. Just something to sit on your porch, but something just homey. But where are the flowers? Where are the flowers? Let's check and see. Let's just grab something. Let's go. Looks like I said we never have none, so it's just a waste of time in here. But yeah, oh, I sent this online, so I'm gonna grab like, hold on, I'll show you guys in a moment. Like 2 of these. And some white flowers. So they got white flowers. Yeah, some white. Oops. Some white flowers. Yeah, don't get mad at me. I get better with this camera stuff. These white flowers. And what else y'all think could go good in there? Let me hurry up because I know we're on a roll to go. And I look a hot mess up in this stuff. Y'all do not get it in. I like this one too. So yeah. I'm gonna grab one more white flower and then probably another one of these to put in there. So I'm just sitting in the bathroom to make it look nice. I always like wanted to do like them little poppy things down there into like a bowl, but I'll just do that for now. Yeah, okay, let's go, you guys. I'll see you when I get home. Oh, look at this. Let me hurry up because you probably can see me. I guess one of these, like a candle or something. Oh, sorry, I can't see it. One of these, like in a candle or something, can sit right there. I don't know, to make it look fancy, but I'll see you guys when I get home. Just like a quick 5 minutes. Bye. So you guys, I finally made it home and I'm just about to get this bathroom clean. I just been looking at it for the past couple of days and it's just been like irking my nerves, especially this shower curtain. I don't know why I thought I can get a white shower curtain when 5 people use this restroom, especially 3 kids. And of course, the kids love to throw the shower curtain into the shower. And I feel like the curtain is like getting water stains on it. So it's like real yellow. So I'm like, time to come down, time to wash this. And plus it's time for a new liner to be put in there, a new shower liner. And I got this shower liner from Walmart that I'll be putting up. It was like $5. I usually if I'm at Target, I'll grab one for like $3. Or they also have them in a Dollar Tree if they're available for $1. Really affordable. And actually, when I went to Dollar Tree, they had multiple shower curtains up when I didn't need them, which I should have grabbed like a few so I could have them put up. So every time I wash the curtain, I have a new shower liner to put up. But I'm gonna clean the tub out first, which is what I always do. And the tub's really not that dirty. It's just the dirt at the bottom of the tub. I think the tub is like kind of stopped up, so it collects that dirt at the bottom once all the water is put out. And I'm using all those chemicals I just showed you in the video. You guys, I love Awesome. I grew up on Awesome. I feel like it's the best cleaner you can ever use, whatever you're trying to clean up. And I feel like Dollar Tree has some good cleaning chemicals for just $1. They work very well. I'm used to using a lot of bleach, but I'm starting to cut out on the bleach because I feel like it's too strong. I only use it like around the areas I feel like where mold will build up at, and I haven't seen mold in a while, so I'm just cutting it out. So I'm just using just plain normal cleaning chemicals, especially just for the bathroom and the kitchen. I'm gonna quit talking and blabbling along. I'm just gonna let some music play as you guys continue to watch this video. And if you guys like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. Also, the whole purpose of this video was just to add a centerpiece to the bathroom to make the bathroom look at least a little bit better, because I feel like it was just plain, it was just empty, and I just been wanting to get like a centerpiece just to sit on that side table. So that's what I was doing, and I feel like it came out so beautiful. And I feel like if you look at the back of my toilet, it's another vase sitting on there, and I feel like it's empty, but I want to go back to the Dollar Tree and grab some more flowers and add it into there. So you guys comment, tell me what you think, give me some ideas, let me know.
Now you can wait your whole life wondering when it's gonna come or where it's been. You may have got your heart broken a few times in the past. It never lasts as strong as it used to. It don't feel as good as it used to before. And all the things you used to say, things you used to do, went right out the door. Ooh, no more will you be the one. That's what you tell everyone around you, but you know they've heard it all before. What more can you say? When love won't let you walk away, just you can't help who you love, and you find yourself giving it all away when you think you're enough. Ooh, hey. I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who leaves when you're gone because you're sent from heaven. I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. And there's a piece of me who leaves when you're gone because you're sent from heaven. Now you can wait your whole life trying to change what they feel from what's been. You may have put your whole life into a man, loving what you thought it could have been. Notice when you change and you don't feel as good as you used to before. And everything you used to say, everything you used to do, went right out the door. Ooh, no more will you be the one. That's what you tell everyone around you. But you
on glitter, waist on thinner. I'ma show you how to bang an 8-figure nigga. Face on Friday, pockets on trigger. You better get the card and make it swipe like Tinder. Private villa in the first shit chiller. When he posts me, all the house gets sicker. Up boy killer, I don't need fillers. Never been a lame.
Okay, you guys, so right here I am just getting the kids some fresh toothbrushes and some containers. That way no one don't get their toothbrushes mixed up, because we seem to do that all the time in our household. Little sharing one a restroom, so I'm just writing their names on it, and I think they'll be happy about that once they get home. And also for my shower curtain is in the dryer, so please do not think that I'm not hanging it up. I was just showing you somewhat of the finished product, and my shower curtain is back up, and I think it all came together oh so well.
For the real silly, daddy on the FaceTime, you can never take mine. End up on a dateline, bitch, with no day job, bitch, hit your wop, always on the course side, big in that niggas wanna eat me out. Bitch, I'm from the West Coast, they wanna go down south. All these lame ass niggas tryna fuck for clout. I won't let him hit, but he can put it in his mouth. Low waist, fat ass bitch, tap in. Tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, nigga, tap in. Tap in. Fucking nigga, get